I'll give it a go. So give it a bit of a sustained rev. Okay, and down again. And then give it like a quick hard one. And then one more.